At late 20th century, somewhere around mid-80s, when world was not ready to accept much changes, suddenly CAD steps into the market and everywhere boom was exploding. Level 0 explains about the 2D drawings, most likely as CAD, just manually drawn lines and handwritten details of the project or building. Each and every project participants create their own 3D intelligent model which contains information in it, where if you just click on the wall for example, it will show you all the details of it from dimension to the volume and the area. AEC stands for Architect, Engineers and Construction Industry. But most important question is, what is BIM? There was a time when BIM was not an option for construction developers. People were using traditional approaches at that time. तो ये traditional approaches क्या थी? Architects, structural engineers or MEP experts were creating their own drawings by manually hand-drafted methods. Though it was time-taking and contains lots of error in it, which not only responsible for creating delays, but also lots of hard work required for the same. At late 20th century, somewhere around mid-80s, when world was not ready to accept much changes, suddenly CAD steps into the market and everywhere boom was exploding. CAD ने जैसे पूरे मार्केट में रिवॉल्यूशन ला दिया, which was the reason for creating new jobs, mindsets, and some easiness in the construction industry. But does CAD have fulfilled all the demands of the AEC industry requires? Absolutely not. Major reason was it is limited to 2D only, which again creates problem in the better visionary and minor details of the project. Still today, many companies are using CAD files or 2D drawings as a main tool for their construction practices. I don't say it is wrong, but as I mentioned earlier, it is time-taking and increasing the chances of the errors. Somewhere nearly at 2012, BIM was introduced into the AEC market. AEC stands for Architect, Engineers and Construction Industry. But most important question is, what is BIM? Building Information Modeling. For some, it is a process. For some, it is a software. For some, it's a database. Or for some, it's just a 3D model. So, आपकी नज़र में BIM क्या है? Kindly comment down below. BIM is not only limited to 3D modeling or for some softwares. BIM is an intelligent 3D model-based process that gives architects, engineers, and construction professionals the insights and the tools to more efficiently plan, design, construct, and manage the buildings and infrastructures of the society. Major difference between the CAD and BIM is CAD helps people to draw, where BIM helps people to design, construct, and manage throughout the project. So आइए BIM को और डेप्थ में समझते हैं. There are multiple levels in the BIM, like level 0, 1, 2, and up to 3. There are chances that in future it may be increased. Level 0 explains about the 2D drawings, most likely as CAD, just manually drawn lines and handwritten details of the project or building. Level 1 talks about the mixture of 2D drawings and 3D models. Majorly these models does not contains any information in it. It is only for visionary purposes. For example, Google SketchUp model. If you click at any element in the model, it will not provide you any details regarding the element. Where level 2, each and every project participants create their own 3D intelligent model which contains information in it. Where if you just click on the wall for example, it will show you all the details of it from dimension to the volume and the area. But something was lacking, that there is no central beam model in the collaboration, just like Revit architect structure or MEP models, but as a separate files rather than having fully collaboration between them. Due to this lacking, even though there are intelligent models, still chances of the errors are there. Hence comes the most advanced option in the BIM is level 3, which is also known as I-BIM. I stands for the interoperated data. For some people, I stands for intelligence also. No matter. In I-BIM, a central beam model is created which combines input from every project participant. For instance, an architect creating a wall into a central beam model and a structural engineer creating footing for it. Suddenly, architect realized it is in the wrong position and decided to change the location of the wall. Immediately, a message will pops up to the structural engineer screens that location of the element has been changed. Wow means each stakeholder will be notified if there will be any change in the main project file. That means if something has been changed, it will be recorded that what has been changed by whom and when. This level is most likely to reduce the errors and saves the time. But this is not the thing where BIM ends. This collaborative approach requires something, and that is CDE. CDE means Common Data Environment. It is an most important part of a BIM management. CDE combines all the stakeholders of the respected project and serves them the latest error-free information and details in the segregated format. There will be multiple revisions in the drawings due to multiple reasons. But how would a project coordinator or a manager or a design coordinator will know about the latest revision? And how would they know what is the revision about and whom to coordinate it with? Maybe to the architect, to the structural team, site team, landscape architect, MEP experts, or with the client. For how long? Maybe throughout the project? Oh my god, this challenges. But no worries, CDE plays an important role to manage and segregate the data from all the stakeholders. For example, BIM 360 or Procore, where you need to link your intelligent 3D collaborative model, and as per the comments from the stakeholders, it will be notified to the respected team who will be responsible for the development of that part of the building or the project. They will update their part and be free within no time. Hence, the other team members will get a notification about the updation in the drawing or the 3D model of the project. So, from the traditional approaches to the latest advanced technology, BIM has plenty of the things to share and to create revolutionary impact to the world. In today's world, BIM reaches the sky with the latest technology like artificial intelligence, blockchain, machine learning, and lot more. It is more than just a 3D model. BIM crosses the limitation and enter to the market like nowhere before. Hence, it's just a minimal part which I have shown in the video. Do you want to know about the other aspect of the BIM? From 3D up to the 9D? Want to know about the 4D, 5D, 6D, still up to the 9D? Check out the latest video from the I button or simply click on the right side of the video. Thanks for your love. Signing off.